Yeah, hello everybody. In today's video, I want to talk about airdrops and actually about multiple wallet strategy because I didn't plan to make this video right now, but I received the comment in my Telegram channel which made me feel a bit angry. I don't want people be fooled or lose their money because they're farming stupidly and think that it's very easy to get rewards from the airdrop for 10 wallets, 20 wallets, 30 wallets plus. I know people who lost 60 wallets rewards from Arbitrum for the one small stupid error, and I don't want people get be in the same situation, to be honest. And what makes me angry, people hunt with more than 10 wallets and they got 5 to 6 digit rewards. Yes, this is correct. And if you received Aptos, if you received Arbitrum, the first thing what I was thinking about when I received my Aptos, I just received one airdrop. And I should be happy for this because I received 1,000 something dollars. But what I was thinking is that I could make 50 wallets, I could get 50k of dollars or something. So I was, to be honest, very disappointed with this result because it just not what I was can get with this activity. It just was that simple. It just what I was thinking in this period of time. But I know people who didn't get these airdrops because they was blacklisted. I did several videos saying what is the main rules. I will put the links and in the video description, and there are like many more rules to follow. I know people who is saying I got 18 19 airdrops of Arbitrum. That's great, and those people are part of my Telegram channel. Don't remember the name right now, but I'm very happy for this specific person. But airdrops are different. They have different rules for blacklisting. I also did the videos how to check if you are a sybil account or not, how if you are linked to accounts or not. So I will put these links. Please check all those materials, check all the materials you could get. Just don't think that if you received Arbitrum once or you received another airdrop once, you just do the same kind of stupidly. I don't know, and you receive 10 times more money. Most of the cases, if you just don't follow any rules, it means that you will lose this 26k of dollars. And don't please do it straight away without any protection, without any understanding what is anti-detect, what is proxy, how to connect your wallet, how to create 10 different wallets for the exchanges and all those rules. I'm happy to do these materials. I'm actually thinking about to compile all this information for small farmers 5 accounts and larger farmers 10 plus accounts, and make those rules combined in guide, tutorial, course structure. I did personally research a lot. I paid money for people to make some consultation for me, and now I'm happy to share it with you as well. And I'm working on the board. I will put the link in Telegram. I will put the link in the description for this board. It's still in progress. I have 10 lessons which I want to make very described with all the steps, the same way I'm doing my free materials with Medium, and all those articles are very great. I'm putting a lot of effort to make those tutorials, and the last one is Lay Zero tutorial. Feel free to check it. I will also put the link to Telegram, to Medium. And the same way I want to do my materials about multi-farming strategy, how to create 10 plus account and be protected, because I put a lot of efforts in all those tutorials, materials I do. And in this case, I'm still in progress. I have I think 10 days before I finish with this. And for now, if you want to just be early, I open my pre-sale. It will be for now $50 for all the course, because I will divide it in 5 I would say accounts plan, like we'll call it professional, where you could, with those rules, you are like easily creating 5 accounts and feel safe. And it will be also enterprise plan, where you could farm like 10 plus accounts. And plus I will also share my knowledge about how to hire the team if you want, what kind of strategies to use in this case. If you want to hire some people to help you farming, what are the main rules you need to know to protect yourself. And later on, like for now, for the knowledge I have to put in this, maybe I will add something else. I will make these professional plans for 5 accounts for $69 and $111 for the plan for enterprise. And for now, because it's pre-sale and I need 10 days to finalize it, it will be only $50 for the full course. I will not sell it separately, just $50, and you could get all the materials later on. So if you want to have it, you could do it now. I think it should be limited, like let's say 10 people to have this price, because it's very cheap. And if you want to like lose $26,000, you can do it, but better check all the materials free. You could find all the information free as well. Just have it. Want to summarize it very nicely, work on all the tutorials. And I will put the link for Telegram bot, where you could put your like details, just start like chatting with it, and I will respond. And this is something I'm working on right now, but please be very careful. Take your time, research before you do like all those accounts, before you're sending it from wallet 1 to wallet 2, not link it. And is also when you send in like all your airdrop money, for example, to exchange from multiple wallets, you again linking it, and you will be potentially marked as a sybil next time. So it's many rules to follow. Don't be greedy. Be very patient, make some research in advance. And in case you're interested, just follow the instruction, open the bot, and make this price for you. For now, $50. It's like a gift. To be honest, it's very cheap. But at the same time, I will have more motivation, to do it finally. Because even if like one person will buy it, I will already give all those materials. It is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.